Welcome to PAM Distributing, your trusted source for professional-grade security solutions. Communication and deterrence, two of the most powerful tools in modern security. Meet the Uniview IPS302030-S, a rugged outdoor IP speaker that brings sound to your surveillance system. Designed for reliability, clarity, and total integration, this speaker is built for professionals who expect more from their installs. With up to 30 watts of rated power and a maximum sound pressure level of 130 decibels, the IPS302030-S delivers loud, crisp audio that cuts through noise and distance. Whether you're sending live announcements, automatic alerts, or pre-recorded messages, this speaker ensures your message is heard, loud and clear. What sets this speaker apart is its seamless integration with Uniview NVRs and IP systems. When motion or intrusion is detected, the speaker can automatically trigger alarms, voice warnings, or custom messages. And with built-in storage, you can upload your own MP3 or WAV files, giving you complete control over your alerts and announcements. Need to speak directly to someone on site? The IPS302030-S supports two-way audio, allowing you to communicate in real time from anywhere. Installation is quick and flexible. With both PoE and DC power options, you can adapt to any environment. Rated IP66 for weather resistance, this speaker stands strong against dust, rain, and heat. It's built to perform in the harshest outdoor conditions while delivering the dependability Uniview is known for. The Uniview IPS302030-S isn't just a speaker. It's an essential part of a smarter, safer, and more responsive security system. Bring communication to your installations, improve deterrence, and give your clients peace of mind with a system that speaks for itself. Available now at PAM Distributing, your trusted source for professional-grade security solutions.